Hey everyone, I'm Bridget and I'm here with Tiny Home Tours visiting the Orlando Lakefront Tiny Home Community and RV Park. I'm really excited because today I get to tour one of 10 beautiful tiny home Airbnbs that sit on Lake Fairview in Orlando, Florida. This community is awesome not only because you get this gorgeous view of the lake, but the amenities are pretty cool too. You can rent the pontoon boat, go kayaking, go fishing, or enjoy a cold one by the fire pit after a fun day on the water. The unit that I'm going to show you today is the Venice, and it was actually displayed in the 2017 Covering Show for Architecture, Design, Tiling, and Appliances in Orlando, Florida. I know that you all are going to love this place as much as I do because they definitely paid attention to the details. So let's go inside. Walking into the Venice, the first thing that I feel is how open and airy the design is. These windows create the illusion that there are no walls, allowing natural light to flood in, which opens up the space. There's no doubt that this place is beautiful, but what really makes it special is the attention to detail. Let me show you. Like I said before, this unit was recognized for its beautiful tile design. So one of my favorite things about this place is that they use this unique geometric style tiling throughout the unit, and it does a great job of breaking up each of the different spaces and keeps it open. Another thing I love about this unit is that they really utilize their storage space and just the space in general. For example, this couch, which is very comfortable by the way, doubles as a single-size bed. So you always have extra space for people to stay when they come over. And another thing I love is underneath of this single bed slash couch, there's tons of extra storage. Another cool feature of this Airbnb is this electric fireplace. I know what you're thinking, I'm in Central Florida, why would I need a fireplace? But I promise you, in the winter, it gets kind of cold here, so it's nice to have that heat in case you need it. But also, if you don't feel like getting warm and cozy, you can also just turn this on for the ambience. A common myth of tiny homes is that you have to compromise on amenities and space in general. And in the Venice, they definitely did not compromise when it came to their kitchen. They managed to fit every appliance that you would find in a luxury home inside of this compact space. For example, you'll see this large stovetop with an oven. We also have this tiny fridge and tons of counter space and wall space if you ever did want to add extra open shelving to create more storage. Over here is probably my favorite part of the kitchen. You have this big island that has tons of room for entertaining guests as well as preparing food. And you have your dishwasher right here to just throw your dishes in after you're done. And last but not least, this beautiful, deep, full-size, I might add, sink. So there's so much space in this kitchen, you wouldn't even think you're in a tiny home. So located next to this fireplace and extra shelving is access to the loft. I love that they use this industrial style ladder. Really gives it a little extra flair. So let's check it out. Okay, so we're in the loft, and if you can't tell, it is extremely cozy up here. We have a comfortable queen size bed, lots of natural lighting, and the coolest part is definitely these porthole style windows. It really gives it that nautical feel, which is perfect for the setting that we're in, Florida, hello. The benefits of having a lofted bedroom in your tiny home is that it frees up so much space for more things. For example, in this build, below this lofted bed is a full-size bathroom. Let's check it out. Because of the lofted bed upstairs, there is plenty of space in this bathroom to include all of the appliances that you would find in a regular-sized home. So over here, we have our sink with counter space. Counter space is rare to find in a tiny home like this. We also have this full-size toilet, not a composting toilet, and they even have a washer-dryer combo with more storage over top. The highlight of this bathroom, though, is the walk-in shower that can fit 2 people. Look how much space there is. It also features this beautiful gradient tile design. One of the most unique features of this Airbnb would have to be this floor-to-ceiling roll-up garage door that opens up to the beautiful lakefront view and patio. Just imagine waking up, making your morning coffee, opening the garage door, and sitting out on the patio while you watch the sunrise on the water. I mean, it really does not get much better than this. There you have it. That was our tour of the Venice in Orlando, Florida. I hope you had as much fun as I did. But if you want to check out this Airbnb and maybe stay here, check the link in the bio for the listing. But until next time, my friends, I'll see you soon.